Hey guys, RTT back here for another video. Guys, today we have an unboxing of the Surface Duo 2 pen cover case. Now I will say this is actually the box Microsoft actually sent it in. You guys can see real fast how absolutely destroyed this box is. I have a YouTube short on my channel in a couple hours of showing the exact whole box because it literally came in a box that was absolutely destroyed. I don't know if that was Microsoft or if that was FedEx. But come on now, because like it's this small little item in that gigantic box. I don't know what's going on with Microsoft, but guys, make sure if you've not done so already, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and enter my $50 Amazon gift card giveaway. It is on my other channel. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel, subscribe to Fantasy Truck Stop, and subscribe to That Much Gamer to enter. So here is what the package actually looks like. It did come in one piece, even though yes, it was absolutely destroyed the box wise. It looks like this actually was not destroyed, thankfully, because this was like $70. This case is actually like 70 bucks, so kind of interesting. So here is what it looks like when you go ahead and unbox it. You do of course have this bad boy right here, which is the top silicone layer, and then you course the bottom is actually going to be a bumper case. So pretty much this is what, ooh, okay, I was not expecting that. So this is of course a wireless charging pad. So the whole point of this case, guys, when it's called the pen cover, is that you can take your Surface Pen and go ahead and actually wirelessly charge it from this case. So just like that, you guys can see it does go ahead and clip on the outside, and now it will wirelessly charge this Surface Pen without any hassle at all. And oh my god, guys, look at this. That is definitely very, very strong to that. I was not expecting it to be that clamped to that. So I did go ahead and take off my old bumper case for that reason. Honestly, I don't think I had to. We'll see. Actually, no, I did have to, because if you guys see right here, it's the whole entire right side. So might be a better bumper case. So this one should just slide right on. And it does, just like that. So now that is the case right there. We can go ahead and peel this one off. And I will say my first actual opinion of just the silicone part. The silicone part feels very, very good. I wouldn't say too high quality. Like when you realize the fact it is $70, it does kind of give you that kind of feeling like, okay, I don't know about this. But I mean, for what it gives you is actually a lot better, right? So that's the point. You're not buying it for the high qualityness of it. You're buying it for what the ability gives you. And it looks like, is this? Hang on, timeout. Okay, no, I think this is, yeah, so this is literally just gonna clamp on just like this. Okay, hang on, let me make sure I get this correct with the instructions, because last time I put a bumper case on, I didn't mess it up, but I didn't do it perfectly as I should have. Okay, so it looks like, okay, so that's the front cover, and then yeah, I didn't have to take off this one. I didn't have to take off this one. Okay. That kind of, you know, it's whatever. I mean, at the end of the day, I did want to put on the new one. So, it's whatever. So, just like this, pretty much just like the old one, how the old bumper case worked. So, we're going to go ahead and put on number 2 at the very top here. I will say, though, when I put on the first bumper case, I actually did mess it up a little bit. So, it is nice to go ahead and actually have a redo at this. So, just like before, let me go ahead and actually open this case up. I will say with this actual top thing on, it's a little bit more difficult. So let me make sure I don't mess this up again. Should just be just like that. Yep, I think that should be perfect. You want to make sure that does line up right there. And our second one right here is going to go ahead and be at the bottom here. So we're going to go ahead and take this off, and this should slide right into the bottom. And this is going to be interesting. So I think it's, yeah, okay, no, it's definitely different. I feel like it's definitely different than the bumper case, the original OG bumper case. All right, let me make sure that's good. That should be Gucci. All right, let's go ahead and pull off this little bad boy right there, and pull off this one right here, and we should be able to take a look at what this bumper case is looking like. Well, silicone pen cover bumper case. So we go ahead and close it. That is what it's looking like, guys. So, okay. It's interesting. This is definitely protruding a little bit straight forward there. I'll definitely say that. Oh, okay. It's my initial opinions, and I'm not trying to be like Jesus here, but it's literally like, okay. So if I go ahead and take the actual Surface Pen, you guys can see now, it does automatically go right there. And we go ahead and open it up. This is what it looks like now with that on. So you guys can see the bumper, the camera bump is still smaller than the actual pen. Now, the thing I will say about this is that, again, keep in mind, this is right here, the Surface Slim Pen 1. I believe you need the Surface Slim Pen 2 to actually use this case correctly to wirelessly charge it. Now, currently, the Slim Pen 1 has been discontinued. So if you are picking up a Surface Pen right now, the Slim Edition, you're most likely going to be picking up the Slim Pen 2, which, of course, will be what this case is actually goes with. So with that being said, I will say overall wise, that top makes it so much bigger than it needs to be. I feel like it just feel like that top just makes it so much bigger because, again, it's adding that thickness to it. But for when it comes to actual protection of this device, the bumper, I do like how flush it is, still like the old bumper was. But I will say, this feels overall way more protected with this case. I kind of do like it. I don't know. I'm going to give it out of 10 right now, guys. My first initial looks and opinions, I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10. But that might change up to a 10 out of 10. I'm going to get a review of it after a couple of days of owning it and kind of see how I feel. But I will say this feels so nice. This top layer right here feels absolutely amazing. And overall, like I said before, just gets the job done. Exactly what you need. You need it for this exact reason, to charge your Surface Pen. And this will now wirelessly charge the Surface Pen without any hassle at all, as long as you have the Surface Slim Pen 2. Again, like I said, I don't think it works on the original Surface Slim Pen, but the 2 it definitely does work on. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.